Okay, so the next concept we'll learn is climate change. And so cause of climate change are greenhouse gases. And so this includes carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, which cause the greenhouse effect. And so to explain the greenhouse effect a bit, we know that solar radiation is absorbed and reflected in the Earth by the atmosphere. And some of the infrared radiation passes through the atmosphere, while some is absorbed and re-emitted by greenhouse gas molecules, and this warms up the Earth's surface and the atmosphere. In the past, climate change was caused by natural cycles such as ice ages. However, today there are anthropogenic or human impacts that are causing global warming, and the cause of this is mainly the burning of fossil fuels. So we see that the impacts of climate change are very visible from outer space, and we can see that these ice caps have been receding a lot, and this is very concerning because ice caps are melting, sea level is rising, and this has big impacts on society because of flooding, droughts, forest fires, and hurricanes. So now here's a discussion question for you. So looking at the map here, the Aral Sea has been shrinking, and because of this, the climate around the Aral Sea has changed. So summers have yielded higher temperatures, winters have become colder, and because frost appears earlier and remains longer, the growth season has become shorter. So take a moment and jot down some notes, pause the video to find a connection between the changes in the climate and the subsidence of the Aral Sea. So once you're ready, you can resume the video again, and we'll go over the answers to this discussion. So looking at what you've learned earlier about climate, you can see that the loss of water in the Aral Sea has, the effect of that is that there's a loss of the moderating effect of the water, which means that there are larger differences in temperature and less precipitation, and this presents less ideal conditions for agriculture. And other reasons include the change in wind currents and more dust and sandstorms that also lead to the downfall in conditions for agriculture.